Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to get earned income credit. First, let's cover the basic eligibility. You need to have earned income from a job or your own business. Your total income, or adjusted gross income, must also be under specific amounts set by the IRS. Plus, you must be a United States citizen or resident alien for the entire tax year. Finally, you cannot file Form 2555, which is for foreign earned income. Your income and filing status are crucial for the earned income tax credit. The income limits change based on how many qualifying children you have. For instance, a family with 3 children can earn more than someone with no children. You typically need to file as single, head of household, or married filing jointly. Filing as married filing separately usually disqualifies you from this credit, with very few exceptions. Understanding who counts as a qualifying child is key. Your child must meet 3 main tests: age, relationship, and residency. Generally, they need to be under 19 years old or under 24 if they are a full-time student. They also must have lived with you for more than half of the tax year. Lastly, they cannot file a joint tax return for the year unless it's just to claim a refund. To claim your earned income tax credit, you must file a federal income tax return, even if you don't owe any tax. If you have a qualifying child, you'll also need to attach Schedule EITC to your return. Using tax software or a trusted tax professional can help ensure you claim the credit correctly. Remember to keep good records of all your income and expenses, just in case the IRS has questions.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.